Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change background on Slack video call. For this video, I am showing a demo account of mine. Now click on General or any section you have created for your team or other purposes. Now in the top right corner, you can see a headset icon. Click on it. Now start huddle. Here you can see I have created a video call. Now click on this three dot in the down right here. Now you can see some options like invite people, edit topic, edit theme, take notes and etc. Now for change the background of this video, click on edit theme. Here you can see multiple options for your background. Let's choose one of them. I am choosing this one. As you can see, the background is not changed and it's looking so beautiful, isn't? If you like this video and this video helped you out somehow, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on this bell icon. We will meet soon with another informative video. Stay with us.